Hello everyone. Today I am going to talk about modesty. So maybe you may know the meaning of modesty. Actually, modesty means being humble and not showing off. A modest person does not brag about their looks, their skills, or their achievement. They always stay simple and kindful. For instance, if someone get high score on a test and they say thank you, I tried my best instead of bragging, that person is being modest. Another example, modest person does not try to get all attention. They always listen to others and speak with kind and respect. So it is important for us because it builds a good relationship. Also, everyone feel more comfortable around who is kind and respectful. So overall, we can say modesty means being humble, kind, and not showing off. So hopefully you can understand the meaning of modesty. So thank you so much. See you the next video. Until then, stay safe and healthy. Have a great day.